Get out your wrenches. It's time for the Cyclab.
I wish people knew more about how to take care of their bikes.
Meet our friend Rohana. She is amazing. She's the manager and mechanic at the Cyclab, Princeton's sustainable bike shop right here in Rocky College.
The Cyclab primarily teaches people how to maintain their bikes, so that entails basic things like replacing a popped tire, adjusting brakes, oiling the chain. The whole point is that we teach people how to help themselves, and we reuse parts and recycle parts and try to do fixes in a way that is most sustainable.
The Cyclab is all about sustainability, knowing how to change, adapt, and take care of things on your own. This is why the Cyclab teaches everyone who walks in how to fix their own bike.
It's our mission to recycle bikes, so instead of throwing away old bikes that are around campus, we pick them up, we repair them, we give them back to people.
For many Princeton students, biking is the most efficient method of transportation to navigate our large campus. But bikes also endure a lot of wear and tear. The Cyclab, located in Rocky College, is cost-free. You just gotta want to learn how to fix up your bike.
And I'd never really fixed bikes before. I didn't know that much about it, but largely I've just learned as I got along.
Many people on campus don't know how to take care of their bikes. I know I don't. Because the Cyclab is only open on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, it can get super popular.
The line can go out of the door, up the driveway. I would say on a daily average, probably 15 to 20.
These 15 to 20 people include undergrads, graduate students, and even locals.
So I think that Cyclab could play a role in just educating people about the value of bikes and perhaps proposing alternatives to the car culture that's so prevalent in America. Any funny stories? I feel like I'm not allowed to say these on camera.
Well, Rohana, I hope this video is a new funny story. That's the Cyclab. I know I'm psyched.